Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can send picture in Gmail. Now before I teach you how to do that, first you need to download an app called Drive, because you cannot use Gmail to send picture, but you can use a secondary app of Gmail and then use that to send a picture. How you can do that is open your app store, and on your app store go and search at the bottom and click on the search bar at the top and just search for Drive. Once you search for Drive, it's going to show you this, so just click on Drive and download it. You want to download Google Drive. After you download Google Drive, it's going to show up like this. Click on it to open it. Once you open Google Drive, it's going to bring you over here. And make sure you're on the Files section. Click on the bottom right and click on Files and you will be on the Files section. Once you're in the Files section, click on plus at the bottom right again and click on versus Upload. Once you do that, click on Photos and Videos. And from Photos and Videos, all the photo and video of your device is going to be shown over here. So choose the photo you want to upload and upload it like this. Now wait for some time until the photo is uploaded. And once the photo is uploaded, now you can send it via Gmail. How? Well, right beside the photo, you can see the three dot. Click on the three dot and you can see this option called Share. Click on Share. Over here, write the email of the person to whom you want to send it to. So I'm going to write the email of the person over here. Now once you write the email of the person, click on their email. Now once you type the email of the person over here at the bottom right, you can see the little arrow button. Click on the arrow button and the photo will be sent to the person via Gmail, which means the person is going to receive the photo on their email, alright? So that's how you guys can send a picture in Gmail. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.